Hello, friends. Welcome back to our journey through history. Today, we are going to travel far back in time, to a beautiful land near the sea. A land full of mountains, stories, and big ideas. This land is called Greece. Thousands of years ago, Greece looked very different from today. There were no tall cities, no big roads, no modern buildings. Instead, there were mountains, valleys, and a deep blue sea. The sea was very important to the people of Greece. It was everywhere around them. Because of this, the people learned to sail. They built small wooden boats and traveled across the water. They were curious people. They wanted to discover new lands. They wanted to find new food, new cultures, and new ideas. The earliest people in Greece lived in small communities. They hunted animals. They grew simple food. Life was not easy, but they had something very powerful. They had stories. At night, people gathered around warm fires. And they told stories. Stories about the stars. Stories about the sun and the sea. Stories about brave heroes and powerful gods. These stories helped people understand the world around them. Slowly, as time passed, Greece began to grow. People started building stronger homes. Villages became towns, and towns slowly became cities. But Greece did not just grow in size. It also grew in ideas. The people of Greece loved to ask questions. They asked questions about life, about the universe, about truth and knowledge. This curiosity led to something amazing. Greece became one of the most important places in human history. Great thinkers, philosophers, artists, and leaders came from this land. Their ideas helped shape the world we live in today. And that is the real lesson of this story. Great things do not always come from power or size. Sometimes they come from curiosity, from asking questions, from learning, and from sharing knowledge with others. Just like you, every time you learn a new word in English, every time you practice speaking, you are also exploring a new world. And that journey is important. Thank you for joining this story today. If you learned something new, share one idea in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Dream Builders for more amazing stories. Because our next journey is already waiting.